Welcome back. The European Union is staring at an unpredictable winter as it braces to impose a price cap on Russian gas in a bid to cut Vladimir Putin's revenue source. As the war on Ukraine nears the 200th day, Putin has threatened to halt all energy shipments to Europe if the price cap were to be imposed. His comments could mean that European nations have to introduce energy rationing in the winter months. The EU has already asked member nations to voluntarily reduce their gas consumption by 15%. Russian state-owned company Gazprom has already shut down gas flows through its key Nord Stream 1 pipeline to Germany. CNBC's Silvia Amaro gets us the latest on the European Union's stance.
President of the European Commission, which is the executive arm of the EU, Ursula von der Leyen, she said that they want to go ahead with a cap on Russian gas prices. Immediately after that, the president of Russia has said that if that ends up being the case, then Russia could cut all supplies of energy to the bloc. But the European Union does seem to stand firm, and the idea of going ahead with these gas price caps is indeed on the table. Let's take a look at what else von der Leyen had to say yesterday.
We aim at lowering the costs of gas, and therefore we will propose a price cap on Russian gas. Of course, the objective is here very clear. We all know that our sanctions are deeply grinding into the Russian economy with a heavy negative impact. But Putin is partially buffering through fossil fuel revenues. So here the objective is we must cut Russia's revenues, which Putin uses to finance his atrocious war in Ukraine.
Von der Leyen also made it very clear that they want to go ahead with immediate measures to support the vulnerable households and the businesses. And then ultimately, also important to keep in mind that they want to impose mandatory targets on electricity consumption. So these are a couple of ideas that are just getting more ground ahead of a meeting that's taking place tomorrow. But we have yet to see where the European Union is going to land on these proposals.